Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be putting some Speedy Petey on this purple serape tumbler. And what I'm doing here is I'm measuring out the 10 milliliter line and the 20 milliliter line. So I mix 10 milliliters of part A and 10 milliliters of part B. And you want to make sure you stir it really well, scraping the edges and the bottom as you go. And then you switch it into another cup. And again, continue to scrape that and mix it really well. So now I'm going to put some Vaseline on the inside of my tumbler. So if I get any epoxy in there, it comes off really easily. And I'm just wiping it down with alcohol and to get rid of all of my fingerprints. And then I just checked that it's level. And here I am putting the epoxy on, and I'm pretty new to this, so I hope I'm doing it right, but it seems to be working for me. And I'm just going to make sure that I get full coverage on the whole tumbler and the bottom as well. And then I just want to make sure that the top edges and the bottom edges are covered really well also. And this stuff sets up pretty quick. So it will only take about, I don't know, 20 minutes that you can touch it. And it's fully cured in, I think, about a day or so. So it's just going to spin for about an hour. I did hit it with a little rubbing alcohol, 91% alcohol. That's supposed to pop any small micro bubbles. And also I'm hitting it with the heat gun here to, again, get rid of any small bubbles that may appear.